Good morning, class 3rd. Chapter number 5, Organ System. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, circulatory system and excretory system. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss nervous system. You know which organ is the control center of your body? Yes student, brain. Brain is the control center of your body. You know, it controls all the organ system and it controls all your action, running, jumping, laughing, everything controlled by your brain. And you know, it tells us when you are hungry, when you thirst, if you want to drink water, so your brain tells you. Yes, so brain is a control center. It control all over the body. It control all organs, all activities. In other words, you can say that all organ system and all actions, whether running, jumping, laughing, all controlled by brain. And you know, the nerves carries messages from the brain to all parts of the body and from the parts of the body to the brain. So nervous system, you can say that we are discussing the nervous system. So this nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. And we have discussed brain. What is the function of the brain, student? Control all the organ system and all the actions controlled by the brain. Now student, if we talk about nerves, you know what is the function of the nerves, student? Yes student, nerves carry message from the brain. First, these nerves carry message from the brain to the different parts of the body and from the body parts to the brain. Okay, so the nerves carry message from the brain to the all parts of the body and from the parts of the body to the brain, and it, we can say that it is a network like structure and they form the neuron or nerve cell. You know, nerves. What is the structure of the nerves now, student? Network. These are the thread like structure, and you know, these nerves spread all over the body. So what is the function of the nerves? Carry message from the brains to the all parts of the body and then from student parts of the body to the brain. And now student, there is another organ, spinal cord. Spinal cord connect the nerves to the brain. What is the function of the spinal cord? Connect the nerves. There is a nerves and the brain. These nerves connect to the brain by the spinal cord, and you know, spinal cord is protected by vertebral column. Okay, so I think you have understand nervous system. Now student, we will discuss a reproductive system. So reproductive system, student, what is the function of the reproductive system? Help us to produce baby. Now you can see the diagram also, a mother with her baby. The reproductive system help us to produce baby. Okay, now student, we will discuss next is a exercise and rest. Okay, exercise. So we must exercise regularly. You can see there is a park and all are doing some activities. Some is doing yoga, some is running, some is taking exercise, some doing skipping. So you must exercise regularly. Why? To keep ourselves fit and healthy. When you exercise, what will happen? Your muscle become strong. You must skip, jog, exercise and do yoga to keep fit. Student, you know, when you are tired, you must rest to relax our body. So you should take the sleep enough, at least 8 hours a day, and to feel energetic the next day. So you should exercise daily. You can do some yoga also, running also, jogging also. Okay, Okay, and why do we need to exercise, student? To keep us healthy and strong. And rest also, you must sleep also, student. So you must sleep at least 8 hours a day to feel energetic the next day. Now student, posture. You know posture. Postures refer to the way we hold our body while sitting and standing. So you know, when you sit, your back should be straight and feet on the ground. You know, when you sit, when you're taking the class, student, you should sit straight and your feet on the ground. And you know, when you stand straight, always you should stand straight without slouching, means bending the back. Always stand straight, always sit straight, always fit your feet on the ground. Posture refers to the way you hold your body while sitting or standing. You should sit with our back, you should sit with your back straight and feet on the ground. You should stand straight without slouching. Okay, so student, I hope you understand. We have discussed today respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory, nervous and reproductive system, and we have discussed, student, exercise and rest. Okay, so we have discussed circulatory, excretory, reproductive. Okay, which organs involves in the nervous system, student? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, which system help us to produce baby? Yes, reproductive system. Okay, which organs involves in the circulatory system? Heart, blood and blood vessels. Okay, excretory system. What is the function of the excretory system? What do you mean by the excretion? Removal of the waste material, removal of the liquid waste from our body. So excretory system helps get rid of the waste material like urine and sweat from our body. Okay, so I hope you understand, student. In next lecture we will discuss the keywords: cells, joints, nerves, blood vessels and postures. So I hope you understand, students. Take care. Bye.